Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lydia Killian and I am part of the 444 agency, and I'm so excited to be on YouTube. I've wanted to do this for so long, where I'm actually sitting down and providing YouTube content. My procrastination to do this has been through the roof. I've had this camera for 6 months, as most of you know from my TikToks. So I was just watching Young Philly and Chunks, like their new show, and I'm like, do you think you're going to get a YouTube channel or like grow your YouTube channel sat on your ass? No, I don't think so. You've got to put in the work, because they were talking about how, how they started making videos and how long it took them and everything like that. And I was like, do you know what? They're right. You just need to start. So, hey up. Thanks for joining me. Today I want to talk about, by the way, like and subscribe. Please. Today I want to talk about your self-concept. And obviously, because it's the main thing I talk about, but I want you to understand that when you wrap yourself up so tight in the new reality, it has no choice but to manifest. What do I mean by that? When you are affirming your new reality, when you're affirming your new self-concept, when you are visualizing that version of yourself, when you are visualizing that manifestation happening, when you are scripting it, when you are programming, this is all subconscious programming. When you are programming your subconscious mind day in, day out, it has no choice but to happen. That is how the mind works. You impress something on the subconscious mind and it will get expressed into your reality. It has no choice but to manifest and but to happen. That's how it works. Where people fail on this, not even fail, because it's trial and error. I really do believe this kind of thing is trial and error. You have to find the things that work for you. For example, I love nighttime affirmation tapes. They don't work for everybody else. Some people can't get to sleep with them. I love them. For saying I'm a really light sleeper. What is that? Oh, it's my hat. For saying that I'm a really light sleeper, I absolutely adore them. And I think they are one of the fastest ways to change your reality. And I'm going to make a video on how to create them yourself in the upcoming videos that I'm going to make. Not everybody's going to like that. So you have to find your flavour with it, but you have to do it consistently. And that is where most people are selling themselves short, because they'll do a week of affirmations and they won't notice an immediate change in their reality. They won't see the thing happen, or they won't get the text, or they won't get the car, or they won't get the business sales, and they'll go, oh, it's not working. It's not working. And then they'll try something else, even though they were making progress with that one thing. The subconscious mind thrives off repetition. It is how you learnt your ABCs. It's how you learnt your blah. I think I'm going to be way too tongue-tied for YouTube, because I don't edit my TikToks, and I am not planning on editing my YouTubes to a massive extent, but I may have to. It's how you learnt your 1, 2, 3s. It's how you learnt your own name. It's how you learnt your date of birth. It was repeated enough to you until it stuck. That's how you learned to walk. You did it enough times until you got it. You kept falling down, getting up, falling down, getting up. And that is what you have to do with the methods to manifest. You have to stick at them and keep sticking at them and stick at them some more, even when you see them happening, for them to be solidified into your new self-concept and into your identity. If you are a method hoe and you just keep trying to find the flavour of the month, whether that's 2-cup method, affirming, visualising, writing their name under your pillow, like whatever, you'll keep trying different things and expecting a different result, but you're not focusing on the actual problem. You're not focusing on your self-concept. Your self-concept is the most important thing you need to be working on, and you need to be working on it day in, day out. What do I mean by that? What do you believe about yourself to be true? What do you believe to be true about who you are and your ability to manifest, and your ability to manifest the thing you want to manifest? And that is the areas you need to be looking at, and that's what you need to be programming in your affirmations, in your visualizations, in your scripting, anything that you might be doing. And then you need to be like literally saturating your mind with that new reality. I will give you a hack. The more you can feel the feelings of having it now, the faster it will manifest. The more you can saturate your energy and embody that feeling state to the point where you wrap yourself so much up in that feeling that it has to manifest, it will manifest so quick. You will collapse the time and space between you and that thing for it to manifest. That's how people manifest really quickly. They drop the old story, they drop the resistance, they drop the doubts. They almost pretend to be that new version. They almost pretend to be somebody completely different. They step into an alter ego, or not even an alter ego, the new version of them. They just step into that fully. They embody that fully. And that's why it happens so fast. It may not happen fast for you. It may happen super fast for you. In my opinion, it doesn't really matter, because I think the person you become on the way to your manifestations is so important. I am my favorite manifestation. Like, you can see the look on my face. I am a fucking gem. And that is from years of working on self-concept, working on myself, working my way towards my goals. And the woman I've become in that process, I could kiss myself. Mwah. Like, she's great. I love her. And nobody can take that from me. So I fully believe in falling in love with the process anyway, regardless of the manifestation. If you are only focused on the manifestation, you are going to miss out on so much. But anyway, that's a different topic. Wrap yourself up so much in it. Affirm whenever you can. Not in an obsessive way, but just keep reminding yourself of that reality you're creating. Keep reminding yourself who you are. Like, mirror work's I'm sorry, I've looked at my mirror when I said that. Mirror work is one of my favourite things at the moment, because I can do that while I'm straightening my hair, while I'm brushing my hair, while I'm doing my makeup. I can just be telling myself everything that I want to come true and everything I want to believe about myself. That's powerful. I can do that as I'm doing something else. I can do my affirmation rampages as I'm driving, or as I'm getting ready in the morning. Or I can listen to one on YouTube. Or I can listen to my own recording. I can listen to it whilst I sleep, like I've just mentioned. I can wrap myself so much in this new program that it has to happen, and then it will happen, and it will happen fast when I'm doing all those things. I always give my clients a manifestation routine. I give them a solid plan, because it's like a gym and fitness routine. If you have a fitness routine and you have an eating plan, you're less likely to snack and go off board and put the weight back on, or lose the weight if gaining weight was your goal. If you have a routine in place, it is so much easier to stay on track and stay running the race and get into that goal. So, for example, my affirmation routine or my manifestation routine: sleep affirmation tapes at night, either listening to rampages while I'm driving or doing my own. And I live for the last one, which is I listen to my favourite euphoric song, which is actually Dario G Sunshine, because it's like dun, 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 dun. Oh no, do you know what, that just killed it. That just absolutely butchered it. It doesn't sound anything like that, but it's a really, really happy song. It's a really, really happy song. I'm not going to put it in because I'm not sure if it's copyrighted or whatever, and I can't be asked with YouTube pulling my video down. But that is like, I just feel ecstasy when I listen to that song, and I give thanks as if I've already got that thing. And usually I'm not even thinking about anything in particular. I'm just going, I did it, universe, thank you so much for this life. I love this life. Like, thank you, I got it. I got what I wanted. I'm not even sure sometimes what I'm wanting, but I know when I tap into that feeling, when I saturate my body and my mind with that feeling, do you know how many blessings come my way? I cannot even describe it. This is how I manifested this business. This is how I manifested people coming back into my life. This is how I manifested new people in my life. This is how I've manifested amazing friendships. This is how I've manifested living in Ibiza from my laptop with my business all summer. This is how I've manifested my money goals. I just tap into that feeling of having it now as much as I can. You do not need a song to do this, by the way. You can just do this. Sat here, putting a timer on for 2 minutes and just thinking, what would it be like if I had the thing right now? Smile, ear to ear, close your eyes. Like, it would feel so fun. It would feel amazing. And do you know what, above all, it would feel like a relief. It would feel like a relief to know you have everything you've ever wanted. Fill up your day with those feelings. Fill up your day with those things. And it has no choice but to manifest. I'm going to keep saying that. It has no choice but to manifest, because that's the nature of the subconscious mind. That's the nature of neuroscience. That's the nature of the law of assumption, law of attraction, manifestation, whatever you want to call it. That's the nature of life. Whatever you program will get outpictured. The universe is literally photocopying whatever you're focusing on internally. So make sure you are focusing on the reality you want to create. I'm going to leave it there today because I don't want to keep going off on a tangent, because I have a tendency to go off on tangents. But I've enjoyed this so far, so stay tuned for my next video. Love you!